I'm not signing a release. I'm not signing a release. What the F? David Blaine.
The F.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Back to our
Who
game.
am I? So I was typing this English paper and then it took 4 hours to print out. And then by the time I printed out, I realized it printed blank sheets because my computer shut down and crashed and I lost all the information. And then by the time I had to redo it, I realized it was 6 o'clock in the morning. And then I had to go do this paper, right? And then, you know, I just failed the class in English and that sucks. And my life is a whole lot worse than yours.
And then these Wolverines came.
And then these Wolverines came out the closet.
And then vampires.
And then vampires, and then I died, but I came back to life.
Werewolves.
Yeah, and then I got killed again, and then I came back to life again. So my life sucks more than yours. Who am I?